Hello friends and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Among Us 2021 update download. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its important features. So friends, today we'll be talking about this new update by Among Us in the year 2021, and if you want to know more about the upcoming updates and upcoming new maps, then do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned as we will discuss the most important elements. So let's begin with the video. But before getting started, I'd like to request you all to please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So friends, currently it is trending worldwide regarding this new Among Us update 2021 and what Among Us has for the year 2021. So let's find out. So first of all, there's this new update for this APK file which is currently coming up. You can see here I have mentioned the screenshot which I have found out that there's a new Among Us Imposter 2021 update has come. So you can download it as an APK file. So this is the Among Us. It was the Christmas update. So as we all know that Among Us keeps on updating as per the occasions and festivals. So during Among Us New Year, they have this theme as their setting. And as we know, friends, that there are various new things coming in 2021 for the game Among Us, as they have mentioned it in their when they won their award for the best game in 2020. So as we know that Among Us had gained a huge popularity in the year 2020 due to pandemic, and since then the game has reached a skyrocket, and the impact is so much that before 2020 the downloads of this game was in somewhat hundreds, in somewhat thousands and hundreds, and now it is jumped up to millions, and there are so many people downloading and online playing it. So there is one more update which will come in 2021, and that is that a new map is gonna come, and it will be a different map, and the new map is known as Airship. So all the graphics and all the places will be different, and as well as they've included new characters and new costumes and new pets, etc. So as we know that Among Us can be very fun to play, and people are continuously increasing, the downloads are continuously increasing along with the people who are playing it. And since that the company InnoSlot, they have decided to launch a new map, and there are also expectations that there will be more new maps coming in the near future. So please keep on waiting for this new map, as they have not disclosed the particular date when they will launch this Airship. So please keep on waiting for it. So that's it for the video, friends. I have discussed all the upcoming events and upcoming updates which are gonna come. The InnoSlot will update on their website if there are any more new updates going to happen, and you will have to simultaneously download it and update it. So that's it for the video, friends. I hope you all liked it. So with this, I'd like to request you all to please mention your viewpoints regarding today's news Among Us 2021 new update download. So please mention your views. What are your expectations in 2021 for this game, and whether you are liking the new updates or not. So with this, I'd like to conclude the video saying that Among Us keeps on updating every occasion or every festive. They keep on updating their theme, and with the success it is currently having now, they will get a new maps and new characters, or even new costumes or pets. So please keep waiting for it. And that's it for the video, friends. I hope you all liked it, and I would like to thank all of you all for staying till the end. With this, I'd like to tell that please like this video, share this video and subscribe, and that we read all of your comments on every video. So please keep commenting. It is very appreciable to read all of your comments. So please subscribe to our channel now if you all still haven't. And with it, we'll like to take a leave now. That's it for the day. Thank you. Be informed, be safe.